It is January 21st, 5:19 in the morning. We are getting ready to go have my C-section, have little baby Leah, and I'm gonna set up here. My mom's upstairs sleeping with Ari. Last night I set something up for her, which is in the garage, because her birthday's today. And then I'm gonna take some final measurements of my belly, and then we're gonna get the heck out of here. Hold on. Okay, so nothing crazy, just some flowers, her cards, her stuff. Then I made this for Leah, which was a mission and a half. And it didn't even come out that great, but we tried. So I'm gonna package that, do my belly stuff, and go. Hope it survives in there. There's a bunch of parchment paper. Alright. Okay, final belly stuff. Alright, so over here, how much is this?
44 and a half.
44, oh yeah. And then this way is
18, 17?
17 and a, not 17.
What are you?
17. Alright, let's get the heck out of here. See you at the hospital. There's her little car seat in there, ready to go, with a little winter cover. And yep, we made it fit into a Mini Cooper with her other seat.
Let's go.
Okay, ready. Oh, if you're smiling.
You tell I'm smiling?
Yeah, you're not.
I am smiling. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
I'm nervous.
I'm sure you are. You're a very nervous person.
Or it could be that they're like cutting my stomach open today.
You'll be fine. We've done it before.
What's up? So, before my beautiful scrubs, or whatever they're called. Alright, and then we'll do an after.
Okay.
Good at me?
I think so.
Ready. I'm so excited.
Excited? Alright. A few more hours to go. Said a few more hours to go.
We can't record the actual C-section.
I want to see that.
Nobody wants to see that. But we will have pictures of the baby when she's, you know, handed over to us. So yeah.
Hi, Ari.
Hi Ari. Baby Leah's coming very soon. I got my IV in, and now we just gotta wait an hour. It's 7:40. They're taking me in a little bit. Everything is good. I'm really excited and really nervous. She's on a monitor. There's nobody in here. You can take off your mask.
Bye-bye. It's your time. I'll see you, I don't know, in a few minutes. Alright. I'm gonna eat all this now. Wonderful. Say hi. You okay? Alright. Say hi to everybody. We're almost done. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Three! Yeah!
Just in a minute or so, you're going to feel a lot of pushing in your stomach, a lot of pushing on your chest. Something that's going to pull your baby out, alright? Okay. When you feel that, just take a couple nice deep breaths, alright?
Just relax, huh?
Yeah. Happy birthday! Grab
Yeah.
No. Do you see who that is?
Ari, you see Leah?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
She's coming home soon.
So cute.
Give her a kiss.
So we're doing okay. We're gonna sing happy birthday to Leah. It's something I did with Ari, and I spent 2 days trying to make a little tiara. Ooh, I didn't know it was this dark. So I put her little cake together, and then the tiara was broken. I tried my best. I did get a tiny bit emotional, but we're still gonna sing happy birthday because it's tradition. And maybe I'll just get a little plastic tiara and do one when we're home. We're not gonna light the candle in here, but at least we're gonna sing happy birthday before we leave. And I think we get to leave today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Her little take-home outfit is too big, so we had to put a combination of outfits together. She looks so mad. So we're going home. Yeah. We're going home, sweetie. We're going home.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else.
Are you ready?
Give her a kissy.
She's so
Made me feel really emotional.
She's so cute.
I know. We got her all bundled up. See?
I'm gonna give her a kiss on her.
Okay.
foot.
Go ahead. Oh.
She's so cute, right, Mommy?
Right, Daddy? You're so cute.
She don't have her binky.
Yeah, she has her binky.
No, she don't have.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. She doesn't have to have her binky on. You want to help give her food later?
Yeah.
Okay. You're excited?
Yeah.
You're a good sister. You're a big, big sister.
Yeah.
I love you. Give me a kiss.
I just moved her leg.
I know. I must have.
Daddy, yeah, I just moved her leg.
Mm-hmm.
No, no.
She moved.
We don't need nobody else.
Okay.
That's a lot of kisses.